Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more modes of this camera, and one of this is the watermark mode. So let's tap here. And here we are. Now we can add 15 watermarks to our picture. The first one appears here. As you can see, this is the time and date watermark. By tapping on it a little bit longer, we can move it like that. And by using two fingers, we can make it bigger or smaller. When we slide to the right, we can change these watermarks. As you can see, here we have the other ones, or we can tap to this button from the right and see them all to pick whatever we need into sites. And this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.